Hello, here I am exploring week 2. So I need to go to the teacher practice area through my courses. Then first I need to turn the editing on to have the editor rights. Then I will choose a topic, let's say topic 15. So no one used this section. It's not possible to put my name because there is no edit section as in Nelly's video. So I move on to adding an activity. The activity which I will add is game. And this is an explanation of Hangman. Okay, so I add this game. So select or choose. Let me see, I need to write something. Choose the letters to guess the word. The right letters. Then I need to display the description on course page. The question will come from the glossary, drugs and brand names, let's say my name. I will choose my name. The category, no category to choose, only approved of teacher glossary entries. Select the question category. I'm not going to select any question. Include a subcategory now. Select a quiz. Let's say this is assignment 1, already selected. Maximum number of attempts. Let's say 6. Disable summarize. No. Show high score number of students. Then I move to grade and categorized. Grade to pass 100. The grading is highest grades. Okay, the game will be open from now until so I will enable this until, let's say, the 21st of January, and I will also enable this Hangman options per game. Let's say 5 words per game. No, don't show any letter. Allow space in words, no need. Allow the symbol in word, no need. Maximum number of errors, 6. Select the image of Hangman. Okay, so there are 2 images, I think. I will choose the first. Show the question, yes. Show the correct answer after the and. After the and, why not? Yes. Language of words. Okay, so they should be in English, of course. Use the header or footer options. Let's see. Text at the top of the page. Nothing. Okay, nothing. Restrict access. I'm not restricted. Activity completion. Show activity complete when conditions are met. And I don't know what are the conditions I put, in fact. Require a grade. Student must receive a grade to complete the activity. Yes. Require passing grade. Expected on. Expect completed on the 31st, let's say. Tags. No tags. Competencies. Course competencies. Now selection. Do nothing, so I will save and display. That's it. I hope it is done. Thank you very much.